Unbelievable. Look at this absolute mess. Flesh bags. They have muscles, they have skin, and yet they have absolutely zero manners.
I have been dead for 2 centuries, and I still have more civic pride than these people.
All right, you greasy monster. Time for the hard way. Finally, a job well done.
I really hate Tuesdays.